Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we have a 5-minute high-intensity interval training session, a HIIT workout for you.
Take a hit.
All right, this is by request. You want to get a quick energizer in. So the format is 5 exercises, 30 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest.
Okay.
Your whole point is to get your heart rate up, okay, during the exercise sessions and then bring it down during the rest, okay? This kind of workout is awesome for, burning calories, so burning fat, helping you lose weight while maintaining muscle. And also can be great for your heart and help manage blood pressure as well.
5 minutes.
All that 5 minutes, yes, and you can, repeat this
As many times.
As many times as you want, yes. So, but listen to your body. And be sure to check with your doctor, before any exercise program. All right, so we'll take a quick pause here and we'll get started on the other side. Okay, let's just warm it up.
All right.
Okay, march it out. We're doing a quick little warm up here.
Okay.
All right. And you don't have to go too fast. Don't go too high intensity on the warm up. That's right. Just warming up your muscles before we get started to help prevent injury, right?
It sounds good.
Good. Give me some shoulder rolls back. Good. 1, 2, and give me them forward. 1 and 2. Very nice. Give me some side reaches. Just open up. The shoulders, arms, back. Very good. Give me 2 more. Nice. And march it out. Okay, very good. Okay, so our first exercise is just gonna be that jumping jack, right? We like that so much. Here it looks like this. Step it out, arms up. Step it out, arms up. Okay, step it out, good. Step it out, arms up. Okay, that's it. And we're on right now. Good, for 30 seconds.
Okay.
And you go as fast as you can.
All right.
Okay, listen to your body. Yep, good. And you can even do the jumping jack like that if you want to do higher intensity. Okay, so this is your workout, so you do what you need to do, okay? And you should feel a little winded after these intervals.
Absolutely.
That will tell you that you're really working, okay? Breathe, everybody.
3 seconds doesn't seem long, but when you're doing this, it's long.
Is it right? Yeah, okay. And rest, march it out. Good work. Keep the feet moving, bringing that heart rate down, okay? Very nice. Okay, 20 seconds of active rest, active recovery. And our next move is just gonna be, have a staggered step, right?
Yeah.
Knees bent. And all we're gonna do is arms back and forth. These are our fast arm running in place, okay? All right, we're on, go. Okay, good. We're on a race, Mom.
I'm beating you now.
I think you are. Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
I'm moving.
And breathe. Okay, but don't forget to breathe.
Yeah,
gotta breathe.
Don't forget to breathe. You gotta keep breathing, folks.
Yes, especially when we're doing these like super sprints, okay? Keep it going. You're really getting your heart rate up here. Another 10 seconds. Got it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Breathe. Very nice. Breathe, 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 breathe. 5, good. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right. Woo-hoo. Nice, everybody. Okay. Feel it. Got your heart rate up, right?
Yep.
Okay. I like what I'm hearing. Okay, next move, just being out, out, in and in, okay?
All right.
Out, in for 30 seconds. Okay? Okay. And here we go, we're on. Okay, so you go as fast as you can. Okay, get the steps down. But I'll show you, you can go really ramp it up if you wanted to. Okay, but I'm going to go with my mom here, okay?
Go at pace.
That's right. But you're going at a pace that's challenging for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do anything you want with your arms. If you get your arms moving, you even burn more calories here. Okay? In, knees slightly bent, very good. Keep that head up. Just 5 seconds here. Breathe. And rest. Ooh, nice. Okay, we're working through it.
Got it.
Exercise number 4. Basically gonna be knee ups. Okay. Remember, I want you to do the weight shifting, okay? If you can't do that, just give me some toe taps.
Okay.
Arms out to the side, okay? So just breathe, everyone. Nice, wow, you're doing extra credit you're doing now. Now we're on, go. You're a super achiever, Mom. That's impressive. Okay.
Oh, I'm trying to get in the rhythm.
Okay, well, you definitely got it. Just make sure you're weight shifting. Now, if you wanted to ramp it up, you can give me these little hops, right?
I'll let you do that.
Right, but I'm just saying, everybody needs to make the workout your own, right?
That's right.
Okay, breathe. Wow, you're going at a fast pace too. That's impressive.
Yeah.
It is, very good.
I'm ramping it up.
You are, you're doing great. Breathe, breathe, and rest. Nice. Can you believe we're at the last exercise already?
That's good. I'm very happy about that.
5-minute Energizer workout. Okay, we're gonna stop our feet, but you keep your feet moving right now. We're just gonna punch our arms up to the ceiling. Big time, okay?
Right.
big time punches. Okay, this is our last round, so make it good, everybody.
Right.
We're on, go. Oh yes, really punching it up. Keep going. Very nice. Wow, I feel the wind. You're generating wind here.
Yeah.
Who needs an air conditioner? Breathe. Really nice. Good work. Another 10 seconds.
Keep it going.
Make it good, okay?
Keep it
Give
going.
it to, yes. Make it good. Speed it up. Breathe. Breathe, 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 breathe. And rest.
Wow.
Excellent work, everybody.
Good job.
That was your 5-minute HIIT session. Very, very nice. Feel your heart rate up?
Yep.
Okay, let's bring it down.
Let's
Give
pump
me
it.
some nice, easy side steps. Breathe, everyone. Take a deep breath. That was intense, but a great workout.
Yeah. For 5 minutes is pretty
That's
good.
right. And if you wanted to do that again,
Really get your heart rate up.
that's right. And be sure you can check out our other HIIT workouts as well. They're at different durations, so
Right.
be sure to check
This is
those
good.
out.
This is a little quickie.
Yeah, that's right. And march in place. Very good. Give me some shoulder rolls back. We started with that. We did some upper body, lower body work, which is awesome. And reverse it. Very nice. And if you want more cool down, please check out our cool down video. This was a super quick workout, okay? Give me 3 inhale, exhales, and clap at the top. Inhale and exhale. Nice. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Clap at the top. Inhale. Good. Inside out hands. Lean. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You earned it. That was a really intense work. Tense and short.
Yeah.
And breathe. Good. And very, very nice. Excellent work, everybody.
Good
Thank you
job.
so much for joining us. If you like this quick workout, give us a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We always appreciate doing these workouts with you and spending time with you. So we look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.